Hello everyone, welcome to How to Build. In this video, we'll see how to fix internet problem in Windows 11. So let's get started. So just go to search and just type in device manager. Now open this device manager. Now just expand this network adapters and just right click on the network adapter that you have and click on properties. Now go to driver and then click on update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. It says the best drivers for your device is already installed, so we'll close this. Next, what you'll have to do is just go to search again and search for task manager. Now go to services and here you can see an option that is open services. Just click on that. Here just search for Wi-Fi direct. So this one is here, so double click on this and change the startup type to automatic and then click on start. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now the last step that you have to do is just right click on this icon and click on open network and internet settings. Now just scroll down a bit here. Now just go to Ethernet and just click on change adapter options. Now just right click on Ethernet and then click on enable. Now you can see the internet problem has been fixed. So this was all on how to fix internet problem in Windows 11. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe.